everyone, we're going to find the value of arcsin of sine of 7 pi divided by 4. Or you can write it as inverse sine of 7 pi divided by 4. These are the same. This is just a different way to write inverse sine. This was used for old typewriters, had a hard time doing this version. So just know that they're the same. I'm going to do this in two different ways. So I'm going to look at this piece first. When you have something with these inverse of a function, you always look at this inner function first. So if we look at sine of 7 pi divided by 4. Now that we already know. So if you look at that, 7 pi divided by 4, and sine is your y. So that's negative square root of 2. So substituting, we have inverse sine of negative square root of 2 divided by 2. Now basically you set this up as sine, set this to theta. So sine of theta equals negative square root of 2 divided by 2. But since it's inverse, it's restricted to quadrants 1 and 4. So basically here's the values, and if you look at the table here, this answer would be negative pi divided by 4 is your theta. All right, so that's one way to do it. Just remember on your inverses, the restrictions is because if you don't restrict the function, then it's not a function, right, when you do the inverse. So basically, when you're restricting sine in particular, we can't look at this at all. That's been cut off. We're only going from negative pi divided by 2 to pi divided by 2. So we can only start from down here and go up this way. All right, we can't go around to get to there. So you can't say it's 7 pi divided by 4. So the answer is negative pi divided by 4. The other way is to use this method. What we have is this form here, with the inverse as the outer function and all that. The regular functions on the inner function. So that's what we have. We have sine inverse of sine of x. Now we need to find our x that's in between negative pi divided by 2 and pi divided by 2. So we have to subtract 2 pi. So 7 pi, let's see, divided by 4 minus 2 pi. And so that's going to be 7 pi divided by 4 minus 8 pi divided by 4. And this is going to give you negative pi divided by 4 for coterminal angles. So that means it equals x. Our negative pi divided by 4 does fall in this domain, so therefore our answer is x, which for our x is negative pi divided by 4. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.